Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to Coding for All. I hope that you are done with the last video where we got to know what Node.js is and why we are going to use it, what are the benefits. Now, in this video, I'm just going to tell you about that how you can download Node.js on Windows. I'll attach the link in the description below, and I can also put it under my comment section and pin that, so it will be really easy for you. Now, in order to download, just simply click on that link here. This is what is going to appear right in front of you. Just click this. It's going to download. It is going to take some time. After it is done, we will just follow the procedure. We'll just open the downloaded file and let's see how it goes now. And we are going to have that with npm package. So yes, it is preparing to install. So here we are. Now just click next. You will always have to accept the license agreement. Just check that. Okay, it's a default setting. So here you are. We are going to click here that okay, what is this? This is all that you're going to get. Next. So there you go. And just remember one thing, that once it is installed, you will always have to restart the computer. If you don't do that, restart the computer or laptop, I'm sorry for my words. So if you don't restart it, I believe that it won't work properly. So this is the best practice for you to restart once it's done. So it's done. Now what we will do, we will simply restart the computer. And so the similar thing I suggest for you, that how you can download Node.js free in 2024 in your Windows, and I believe that this is going to be the latest one. You won't have to worry about anything like that. So now simply restart your computer. That's it for this video. So in the next video we will be working on that how we can use Node.js. Until then, good luck and bye, full stack web developer.